Hello students, I am Pratima More. From today, I am starting a new study series named as PMS. P for practice, M for memorize and S for success. We always prepare for a competitive examination. But in this examination, we feel a bit scared. I will try to reduce that fear from the students by a simple way. That's why I am starting today a new study series. So let's get started. Today we will take a new topic named as mirror image. In mirror image, when we stand in front of the mirror, we can see our left side appears as a right side in the mirror. And so when we solve these examples, we know that we have to reverse the sides in the mirror image. But we can solve it also by a simple trick. Now these are the examples of mirror image. In the first example, the question is find out the mirror image of the written image fan. Now how will we solve this example? To solve this example, you have to flip the page and see it into the light. When we see the answers of that question, you can clearly see the B option where we see the answer fan. So in the exam, when you have to solve the questions of mirror image, you have to flip the page and see it into the light. Then you will find the answer of the question. Now the second question is, the first picture is an arrow in the upward direction and the second arrow is in the downward direction. Then third image is of the triangle which is in the upward direction and last triangle is in the downward direction. So we have to find the mirror image of this question. So once again you have to flip the page and see it into the light. Now you can clearly see the options of that questions. Now here, if we see in the first image, option A, you see the first image is the triangle. So this is not the answer. Now we are going to the second option B. In this image, we see the first arrow is in the upward direction and the second arrow is in the downward direction. But the third picture is the triangle and we need a triangle in the upward direction, but in the B option the triangle is in the downward direction. So this is not the answer. Now we can see in the third option C, here the first arrow is in the downward direction. Hence it is not the answer. Now we will come to the option D. In the option D, we can clearly see the first arrow is in the upward direction, the second one is in the downward direction, the third triangle is in the upward direction and fourth triangle is in the downward direction. So this is the correct answer and this is the mirror image of the question. So the answer of this question is option number D. So students, in the questions of mirror image, we need to flip the page and see it into the light. Then you will get your a perfect answer. If you have any queries about the mirror image, then send me it into the comment box and share it to me. Then I will give you a perfect answer for your questions. Thank you.